guys, this is Rajan from R Theory Motorsports. So as I teased in our last video, we're coming out with this new power steering pulley bezel. People have been asking us to make a power steering pulley that matches their current water pump and alternator pulleys. We can't really make a full pulley because it's pressed onto the power steering pump, so you'd have to destroy the pulley. But we could make this cool bezel, and I don't think anyone has made something like this for the Miata yet. Yeah, we wanted to make something that is like the crowning piece in your engine bay. You already have our cool water pump pulley and alternator pulley, and we have this eyesore stamped steel pulley off to the driver's side. So yeah, let's have this last piece close everything together, close the whole package. So the way it works is we have the bezel that slips onto the front of the pulley, and we have backing plates on the back that act as nuts. So you can pass the bolts through the pulley and thread them into the backing plates, and it just sandwiches everything together so they'll stay tight for many thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of miles. So like I said, they match our existing water pump and alternator pulleys. They'll come in the three same finishes, which is our signature blue anodized, black anodized, and nickel chrome. They come with stainless steel bolts, 4 stainless steel bolts, and we include one long bolt that replaces the long bolt that passes through, because Mazda's long bolt is actually too long and hits the backing plate. So we give a little bit of a shorter bolt, but it's still long enough so that it can secure your power steering pulley without worrying about it coming loose. So it's a nice looking bezel to act as the crowning jewel in your engine bay, and very reliable, doesn't interfere with the belt. As you can see, there's still plenty of room for the belt to reliably operate. Available, like I said, in 3 different finishes: are blue anodized, nickel chrome, and black anodized, and there's a nice match to our existing pulley kits. So you can get them at rtheorymotorsports.com or one of our vendors. Thank you guys, see ya.